Hi guys, today I'm at BJ's. They're similar to Costco. They do sell different things from Costco. They also have a liquor store. I'm gonna go into BJ's. I'm gonna pick up some supplies for the baby so you guys can see what BJ's has. So you can get your electronics, you can get your stationery stuff, clothing, snacks. So they have a lot of Halloween stuff already out. Snacks, candies. And if you don't like to carve the pumpkin, you can buy these that are carved but they're not real, and these are $25. They have a selection of costumes. These are toddler and boy sizes, and toddler girl and girl sizes. Here is the section with the toys for the kids. This is $20. This looks like a really good gift to give. So I'm also looking to see what's on sale or what they have that's nice that I can probably use to give for gifts for Christmas. My son has this. This is really nice. Ooh. Look at this, an activity desk. I love their selection of stoneware. Really nice serving dishes and platters. And the prices are not bad. I must say their prices for children toys, they have some really great prices. Trampolines, they already have their Christmas deco out. Table tennis table, football table. So you see they have a big selection. I think they actually have more toys than Costco. They have Lego. That's a small Lego set. That's $17. They have the Nerf guns. That Nerf gun is $40. And then on the opposite side, we have all of the girl toys. Slime. Bracelet creators. So here is their Christmas section. Now, what I do is I come after Christmas is finished, and you see all of these things. If there's anything left, they reduce the prices, like by a lot. So, I have gotten some really great items from here that went on sale, like really cheap. This is just the outdoor section. Sorry. So I need to get one of these. I actually buy the individual ones. Now this is the shampoo, and I prefer it over the twin one because the twin one tends to get your hair really dry and stiff. So I always buy the shampoo and the conditioner separately, and these are $12.49 for one. They have a huge selection of your facial creams. The one that I use, it's this one. It works really, really well. So you have your day cream and your night cream, and it does have SPF. And then you have all of your vitamins. Here at BJ's, they have the Vaseline. You can get 2 Vaseline for $7. This used to be $4, but they raised the price. It has been that $7 for quite a while now, so I don't think they're going to drop that price. But it's a really good deal because you usually pay $5 for one. So those of you who are having babies, you can come here and get the Vaseline. This section is all their protein powders and drinks. And then here we have some more shampoos, conditioners, different brands. Let me see if I can find the conditioner to go with my shampoo that I took, that Head and Shoulders. They also have Matrix, which is one of the other brands that I use. Tresemme. Here they have their selection of car seats, toddler seats. They have their portable toilet, gates, play yards. That's a really good play yard. That one is $59, so $60. Then we have your deluxe multi-use booster seat with 180-degree swivel. Now off to the baby section. So I need to get a box of pull-ups for my baby because he's no longer in Pampers. Well, they have their Johnson & Johnson and Aveeno products. Diaper rash cream, baby detergent, baby food, puffs. So I'm gonna get one of these for him because he loves this. I don't give my baby a lot of snacks or a lot of candies. So you see all the baby foods, you can buy them in the big containers. I want to tell you guys, you see these little crunchies? Taste it. I find it's very salty for a kid. Here is their selection of formula. So they have Enfamil or Enfagrow. Now you use Enfagrow when they reach 1 year, then you'll start to use these other milks. So Enfagrow and Go2Grow, all of these you use when they turn 1. When they're under 1 year old, you have to use the regular Enfamil. So you can use like these up here. They reduce fussiness and gas. Well, it claims to. I personally, I don't find that it does. This is the milk that they'll use before they turn 1 year. This is Similac. Actually, that's the one that my baby used, and now he was on Enfamil Premium Toddler Next Step, but now he's just on whole milk because he's 2. So you want to at least when they turn 1, try to get as much whole milk in their diet as possible. So I need to get the pull-ups for him, and I'm only seeing the Huggies brand, so I'm gonna be getting one of this for him. I did pick up one of the Happy Tot veggies pack because, as I showed you guys in one of my previous videos, I mixed that into his bottle just to give him that extra nutrition. I also need to get a box of wipes, and these are 800 wipes for $20, and with my coupon I'm gonna pay like $16. So this entire lane is your oral care lane. I'm not going to go through the lanes one by one because the video is going to be too long. This other lane is for canned fruit, vegetables, pasta and sauces. Our next lane is our international food lane with your ethnic foods. We have the canned meat and baking. Baking needs lane, so you can get flour. I think I'm gonna pick up a flour as I'm here because I get a good price for the King Arthur flour here at BJ's. And guys, I want to give you a tip. When you're buying flour, you want to just raise the top of the bag here and smell the flour. Reason being is because if it's old, it'll smell old and you don't want to buy old flour. I wouldn't recommend buying the carnation and the sweetened condensed milk if you have Costco membership, because at Costco it's cheaper. They have a huge nut section. I like to get my yeast here because we get 2 of those big packs for $4.49. We get 2 of the baking powder for $3.49. You get your Hershey's chocolates, and they even have the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits, and that's $6.99. Here we have the Duncan Hines chocolate lovers cake in a cup. Here is a selection of adult clothing and kids clothing, which start from $12.99 go up. They already have some of their Christmas stuff out for kids. Here is the condiment, spices and oil aisle. They have a really big selection of spices here, which I like. And all of your barbecue sauces and hot sauces, mayo, ketchup, oils, different types of oils, and extra virgin olive oils, pickles, olives, capers, hearts of palm. Here we have your breakfast foods, snacks and nuts. And here at BJ's they have planters in these big containers, because we don't find these big planters anywhere else. Look how pretty these anthuriums are. It's been a while since I've seen anthuriums, but they're really beautiful. It's actually the world's longest blooming plant, and this one under here, it's called a money tree. For all of my Danish butter cookies lovers, look at this, a massive tin. It's 4 pounds of that butter cookie. Really huge. Here is another snack aisle. And then we have our freezer sections with our frozen foods. And then we'll have the eggs and the milk. Here is the wine section, a really huge wine section. So I need to pick up a bread. And when you buy bread here or even at Costco, you always get two packs of bread for one price. This is the fresh produce section. And then we have the bakery down there, deli, and then the other deli section with all of your meats. Here we have their bakery selection of goodies, muffins, cookies. These are the different types of cheese. I'm seeing they have this 3-year aged. Gruyere is a really nice melting cheese. This Kobe Jack cheese is a really nice melting cheese also. I also love my pepper jack and my Monterey Jack. They have Gouda, smoked Gouda, Havarti and Gouda mix. You can buy these little small packages, and they even have them in cubes. Now here in South Florida we don't get hops, but the closest thing you can get to hops are these Cuban rolls or the Cuban bread. And you get a big bag for $3 and $2 actually and 99 cents, which is a really great price. So I think I'm gonna get this so I can make some probably bread and chana, bread and chow mein. Here is their cake selection, and you can see there isn't any writing on it, so you can pick which ones you want and they'll just write in your greeting. Here is the ice cream selection from Carvel. So now to the last set of lanes, we have the water, the juice, soy milk. Then we have our coffee, tea, creamers, and energy drinks. The other aisle is your pet care and soda aisle. Then we have our napkins, facial tissue, and bath tissue aisle. Here is their utensils, disposable dinnerware, cups and lids. They already have some of their fall plates and napkins and stuff out. This is the party supplies aisle with your foils, your wraps, your trash bags. This is your cleaning supplies aisle. This is your laundry care aisle. Then we have automotive, bedding, rugs, furniture. Then we have housewares, water filters, and storage. I'm looking at their bedding and their towels. Their towels here are $4.99, $3.99, $6.99, so some good prices. Storage and containers, and also cookware. Some small appliances. And then we're right back where we started from the beginning. So I walked the entire BJ's for you all. And you guys can see they are very similar to Costco, but in some ways they have some more stuff and some items that you would not find in Costco. And one of the other things they have in here, they have a Dunkin' Donuts in here, while Costco has their pizza section. So I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head and I'm gonna cash. And you can use more than one coupon per item. So you can use a manufacturer's coupon, and you can also use a store coupon, so you get additional discounts. So I'm gonna be doing self-checkout. Now this is just one of their coupon booklets you will go through. Usually they would send it in the mail, so you can clip your coupons before you come to the store. And this is just the bigger book, and then they have a smaller book with more coupons. So all you have to do is look for the coupon for the item you picked up and scan it when you go to cash. Now when you go to cash and you scan it, you have to put it into this slot.
Welcome to BJ's. Please scan your membership card or touch Need Assistance. Please begin.
So when you're finished cashing, same process as at Costco. Or they also have a vision center here, and they do custom window systems. So you would cash out and then walk out, and you have to show them your bill. They'll make a mark or punch a hole so that you cannot come back and pick up the exact items and then go out with it. Thank you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog here at BJ's. Let me know what else you'd like to see me do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.